Hello, in this presentation we will share our initial DevOps strategy. We will explain the tools we chose for each phase of the DevOps lifecycle, the software in plan to deploy, how these tools will support our work. Finally, we will mention the team's member we participate in this deliverable. The members who worked on this deliverable are Jorge Álvarez, Cristian Pinzón, Juan Pablo Roballo, Héctor Carabalí, Juan Felipe Figueroa, and Beringer Solarte. We all worked together on this research, design, and preparation on this presentation.
Now I'm gonna talk about our dev tools. In our DevOps strategy, we selected a set of tools that cover the main stages of the software lifecycle, like this. Planning. We will use Jira, a tool to organize tasks, assign responsibilities, and track project process. Development. For code management, we will use GitHub, which allows us to collaborate between teams members and version control. C, Y, and CD. We will implement GitHub Actions to automate continuous integration and delivery, making sure code changes are tested and developed efficiently. Also, monitoring. With Prometheus and Grafana, we can collect metrics and visualize the performance of our application in real time. And last, security. We finally will use DeepinBot and GitHub code scanning to detect vulnerabilities and errors and keep our code and dependencies secure. In the planning department, we will use Jira. Jira is a project management and issue tracking tool developed by the company Atlassian. It helps to break the project into smaller tasks, task process, and develop supportive software. It allows teams to collaborate efficiently and automate workflows as well.
With GitHub, our team can work together in parallel using branches, pull requests, and code reviews. This ensures that every change is tracked and reviewed before merging into the main branch. Additionally, GitHub integrates seamlessly with other DevOps tools, allowing use to connect or the code base with CD pipelines, security scan, and project management workflow. In this way, GitHub becomes the central hub of our development process. GitHub Action will automate tasks such as building, testing, and packaging our code every time a developer pushes and change or create and pull requests. This guarantees that our code is always validated and ready for deployment. Once the code is tested and approved, Argus CD will handle continuous delivery. Argo CD is an GitHub tool for Kubernetes that ensures our deployment are automated, consistent, and version control. It continuously synchronizes the application state in the cluster with the configuration stored in GitHub.
To monitor our application, we will use Prometheus and Grafana. Prometheus will automatically collect a performance metrics like CPU use or response time. Then Grafana will take that data and display it on easy to understand visual dashboard. This view will as complete visibility into our system just in real time, allowing us to take and solve problems quickly. To integrate security, we will use dependable and code QA. Dependable will automatically scan our libraries and create PRs to update them if it finds vulnerabilities. CodeQL will analyze our code in every pull request looking for security flaws. This allows us to detect and fix risks early, automate security in our DevOps flow.
We are working on a software solution designed specifically for developers. The main idea is to create a single space where developers can showcase their professional presence, including social networks, project repositories, and technical profiles. Unlike generic tools like Linktree, our platform focuses on the developer community, integrating key platforms such as GitHub, LinkedIn, Stack Overflow, and more. This way, recruiters and the tech community can easily connect and collaborate with developers through one centralized profile or link.
Our platform focuses on efficient link management for developments. First, we have custom link page creation where developments can organize all their professional profiles in a single accessible page. Second, multiple link management allows adding, editing, and organizing links to GitHub, LinkedIn, Stack Overflow, YouTube, Twitter, personal portfolios, and other relevant profiles. Additionally, our software includes a specified feature for link management. Link organization functionality allows categorizing and prioritizing the most important link, such as future repositories or main professional profiles. We also include simplified sharing where developments get a single personalized link to share on resumes, social media, or business card. Finally, we have easy links updates that allow up modifying, adding, or moving links quickly without technical complication. These functionalities create a simple but effective tool for developments to centralize their digital presence in one accessible place.
All the group members work on the organization and elocution of this presentation, managing Canva collaboratively and other apps, and distributing what each one spoke about. Jorge, Christian, Héctor, Juan Figueroa, Juan Roballo, and Bellinger. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.